American 782, RNAV to Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Docker to takeoff 25 right, American 782.
American 345, LA Tower, runway 25 right, line up to wait.
American 345, line up to wait, 25 right.
American 345, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
345, clear for takeoff, 25 right, RNAV Docker.
Canada 782, contact departure.
Over departure, Canada 782. Departure load, Air Canada 782 with you, climbing through 1,400, 5,000.
Canada 782, set the departure, radar contact.
Orca 5 departure, Las Vegas transition, Dennis filed. Climb via the SID, except maintain 5,000.
America 345, contact SoCal.
Over departure, 345 to you. American 345, passing 1,500 for 5,000.
American 345, so got departure, radar contact, maintain 250 knots.
250 knots, American 345.
782, turn left heading 110.
Left turn heading 110, Canada 782.
345, traffic at your 1 o'clock, actually 12 o'clock, in 3 miles, turning south, northeast bound, at 5,000, climbing at 12,000 as a Airbus.
345, traffic inside.
Turn right heading 250 immediately.
250.
Air Canada 782, climb maintain 12,000.
Climb 1,2000, Air Canada 782.
Air Canada 782,
1,300 for 5,000.
2 miles, turning westbound at 4,800.
Insight, Air Canada 782.
Hawaiian 33 heavy.
Separation from that traffic.
Maintain visual separation, Air Canada 782.
782, climb and maintain 15,000, turn left direct, actually just sliding 090.
Okay, heading 15,000, or sorry, altitude 15,000 and heading, can you say yes? 15,000.
To the 42 heavy, okay, maintain speed into American 345 for C direct PV, climb maintain 12,000.
To 12,000, direct PED, American 345.
Canada 782, direct kegs.
Direct kegs for Canada 782, and just to advise, we had an RA there.
Air Canada 782, yeah, I'm aware, thank you. Air Canada 782, contact Los Angeles Center 125.27.
2527, Air Canada 782.